Hi and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes. A Merry Christmas to you, and I'm going to share with you today how to make a really succulent and tasty treat that is commonly made in Goan, Spanish, and many other European households. Guava cheese is basically the fudge version of guava preserve made by cooking sweetened guava pulp. It is also known as perad. To make this, I've taken 4 ripe guavas which weigh 500 grams. And I'll be pressure cooking them for 1 whistle. So the guavas are cooked and let's quickly collect the pulp. So here's all the pulp and we'll put them into a blender and make a fine paste of it. Since we are looking at a very smooth consistency, we'll keep adding some water till we achieve it. Let's grind further till we get this. It's time to separate the seeds from the pulp, so we are sieving the ground pulp. So here's what's left behind, the seeds and some residue. Now we are gonna cook the pulp, so I'm heating a kadhai and I'm gonna add a little bit of ghee. If you want, you can add butter also. Let's pour the guava pulp and start stirring. Use a thick bottom pan and remember to keep the flame on medium while doing this. Generally, to make guava cheese, regular sugar is used to sweeten the pulp. However, since I have my own conflicts between refined sugar and my acne triggers, I've used just an optimal amount of jaggery instead. Actually, regular or brown sugar help in defining a better crystallization of the guava fudge. But since I personally love a gooey consistency of the guava cheese that can also be enjoyed by scooping with every bite, I'm totally okay with this. At this stage, we're gonna add some lime juice to this mixture, since adding any acidic ingredient helps in the formation of foods like jams, preserves and fudges of this kind. Now I've added a very mild extract of some beet juice that I freshly cooked at home. This color does not contain any flavor of beets, which anyway gets lost in the sweetness of the guava cheese. Alternatively, you're free to use any organic food color of your choice. So we continue to mix and stir well. And now it's only going to be a matter of some time that the mixture starts to thicken. By now you can slightly reduce the flame and patiently wait as the mixture starts leaving the sides. This is when we can put off the flame to check if the guava cheese is done or not using the cold water test. You take some ice cold water in a bowl and put a drop of the mixture in it. If the drop retains its shape and does not stick, it shows the cooking is done. But since we didn't see that happening exactly here, we'll cook for a few more seconds and test again. Let's check this time now. Okay, so that's good enough, and we'll go ahead with setting the guava cheese now. For this, you can take a molding tray or even a simple plate like this one. I've greased it with ghee. You can always use butter instead. You need to be a little quick here because the guava cheese starts to become difficult to work with since it's already hot. Set the surface well with a spoon or a spatula. Let's freeze this for about half an hour. And then we cut them into tiny pieces of fudge to serve. Please grease your knife with oil or some butter to make cutting easy. And there you are! Your guava cheese is ready to be served. Bon appetit and enjoy your holidays. Thanks for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all my latest videos. Do also check out my website Fit Be Well and keep in touch. Catch up with me on Instagram, and until my next video, take care and bye-bye.